Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall the Chase mobile app from your smartphone. Whether you are switching banks or just decluttering your device, this guide will help you remove the app safely and easily. So first, go to your home screen or app drawer and find the Chase mobile app icon. So for me, I have it right in the center. Now press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. And then drag it to the uninstall button and leave. Now a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm by selecting OK. Uninstalling the app does not close your Chase bank account. Your account remains active and accessible through other means. If you wish to close your account or remove linked apps, please contact Chase customer service or visit a local branch. And yes, that's it. You have successfully uninstalled the Chase mobile app from your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.